What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ron P. Appreciate you tuning back into the channel. Make sure before this video start, y'all hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so y'all will be updated when I put out videos like this. And we are on the road to 2K subscribers. We are almost there. I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe and support the channel. Without further ado, let's just jump into what we're jumping into. So today we're gonna be talking about the difference between using a Bluetooth speaker and using a studio monitor to mix your music. A lot of people hit me up and they ask, can they mix their music just using a Bluetooth speaker? Is it worth even going out to buy studio monitors? And my answer to that is, you do whatever you want to do. But what I recommend is getting studio monitors, and I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, when you using a Bluetooth speaker to mix music, Bluetooth speakers usually have an amp in them that's it projects more bass. So when you listen to your music through a Bluetooth speakers, it sounds bassy and it sounds super full, right? But when you mixing, you don't want that, because you want something that's going to be true to sound. And studio monitors usually is true to your ears. It's more accurate sound. I always say that Bluetooth speakers, they lie to your ears. With the studio monitors, if you was mixing a song using studio monitors, let's just say the song needs more bass. The studio monitors, they're being more honest with you, with your ear. So it'll tell you, okay, I need more bass. When you raise up your bass, or my vocals need to cut a little more, or this and this, that. They're gonna be more accurate. With a Bluetooth speaker, you're gonna think that it sounds full and complete. And I'm gonna give you an example of why that's a lie. Have you ever been mixing a song and you're using a Bluetooth speaker and it sounds good, you're happy with it, the bass is hitting, the vocals are crisp, they cutting through the bass, then you go listen to it in the car and you like, what the heck is this? It make you question everything about your mixing abilities, right? I remember it was times when I was using a Bluetooth speaker to mix my music. I would listen to it, I'm thinking it's perfect, sound good, listen to it in the car, and I'm like, oh my God. So I would take a notepad out there and I would write, okay, this is too loud, this needs to be clearer, this needs to, and I would try to go back in the house and make the changes and then go back out. Like I said, you can use a Bluetooth speaker, but it's gonna be a lot harder, and you're gonna find yourself mixing and remixing a lot of your music, doing that. Very time consuming. With the studio monitors, they're gonna be more true to ear. The sound is gonna be more accurate. But that also depends on which studio monitor you get as well, because there's some good ones and there's some bad ones. So a couple that I wanna recommend if you're just starting out mixing is obviously the KRK ROKIT 5s. I don't know if you guys can see them back there, but the KRK ROKIT 5s, those are good starter monitors to use. I think they get the job done. On the back of a lot of monitors, actually, not just the KRKs, but a lot of monitors have on the back of them where you can adjust the dB gain and make the settings, you know, to your liking to get more of an accurate sound. With Bluetooth speakers, you don't really have that option. Also, what I use, and I don't know if you guys can see them back there, is the Kali LP6s. Actually, I like the Kali LP6s better than the KRK ROKIT 5s, to be honest with you. I think that they are more responsive. The sound is more crisp and accurate. And usually when you mix on those, that's pretty much how your stuff is gonna sound. Same thing with using mixing headphones as well. Mixing headphones is the same as using studio monitors to an extent, but I would recommend using the actual studio monitors to mix, and don't mix in headphones, because you kind of need your music to breathe and like you can hear it. And then when it's in your ear, if you're using headphones, it's just like, it's so closed in, there's not enough room to really tell if this is accurate, or, you know, it's just, you need room to breathe. So I would suggest using studio monitors. I don't even know if that makes sense, but I would suggest using studio monitors to mix your music. So I will make sure that I leave in the description a link to the KRK ROKIT 5s and a link to the Kali LP6s. Both of them great monitors. Both roughly in the same price range. I think maybe the Kali LP6s are a little more, but they are definitely worth it. Actually, if you guys want me to do a more in-depth detailed video on studio monitors and actually give my real in-depth opinion, let me know, leave it in the comments. Make sure you follow me on my social media. Make sure you guys stream my music, link in the description. Please, appreciate all of you guys' support. And till the next time, peace.